The steam engine. Long ago, machines did not use electricity. They used muscles. Human muscles, horse muscles, and very tired muscles. Then people discovered steam. When water gets very hot, it turns into steam, and steam loves to push things around. One inventor, Thomas Savery, built an early steam machine in the 1600s. It helped pump water out of mines. It was clever, but a bit dangerous. Boilers sometimes went boom. Later, James Watt came along. He made the steam engine much better, safer, and more efficient. His improvements helped power factories, trains, and boats. Steam engines helped people work faster, travel farther, and build bigger cities. The steam engine helped change the world. All thanks to hot water, bright minds, and lots of steam.